Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are eating the University of Lagos to discover the best place to have African delicious meal. Today is going to be guys edition. So if you want to know where guys eat at the university, also we're going to be dropping the ladies edition very soon. So you guys will stick around, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button now. Let's go there, guys. Hey bros, how you doing? My name is Tayo. Can I know your name?
I'm Eniola.
Daniela, okay. I really appreciate you granting us the audience you have given us today. We are actually on a mission to discover the best or the delicious meal in the University of Lagos here. So, if you can, you could share with us your best place to actually eat delicious meal. Yeah.
Okay, so my favorite restaurant in this school has to be Calabar Kitchen.
Calabar Kitchen.
Yes.
And then why do you prefer Calabar Kitchen?
I prefer Calabar Kitchen because they sell the real dishes that I love. I love the kind of soup that they sell.
Okay.
They have mainly Igbo dishes,
Okay.
and they're quite affordable. So,
Okay, yeah, they're quite affordable.
so I prefer to eat there most times because I always love to eat uh, banga, etika. They have everything there.
Alright, that's cool. So if you are recommending, as in the place to eat in Unilag, you will recommend
I would recommend Calabar
Calabar
Kitchen
Kitchen
first.
first.
Yes.
Okay, that is the top. Okay, thank you very much for sharing this with us.
Although there are other options, though, there are other places where you can get swallow, but they have a very unique way of preparing their own food. It's just not like other people.
So they are just specialized on
Yeah,
swallow
exactly.
strictly.
Exactly.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So basically, that is our own local food actually.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
So thank you very much, Eniola, for your time. Okay. So guys, I have another guy with me, streets of Unilag. So hi guys. Hi. Sunny. Thank you. So today we are hitting Unilag and we want to discover the best place to have a very delicious meal in Unilag. So could you actually provide us with your preference?
Yeah, best food. Cannot accept. Cannot eat that. That's our friend.
Yes, of, oh if you okay, list you can list your preference anyway.
One I have.
Preference.
One I have. Privacy. Calabar Kitchen.
Calabar Kitchen, okay.
Mr. Yamoria.
Yamoria,
Um, Yaka, Kafaya.
Yakapaya.
Kafaya. Yeah. At Rocks. Yeah. That one too.
Okay.
Yeah. There's one out there. I told that here. Yes, Yamoria. I've mentioned it before.
Yeah.
There's another one around this charger too. Abula village. Shout out to Abula villagers.
Okay,
Shout out to
village.
yeah,
Okay.
So the food is nice. It's affordable.
So all the four you have mentioned, they are very affordable. And then, do you have preference among the I mean, a particular one that you like most?
Yes. So the particular one I love me. In fact, the even two. Let me not lie.
Okay.
Yes. Abula, Calabar Kitchen.
Abdullah and Calabar.
That's at my back here.
So why do you prefer those two?
I prefer those two because it's affordable.
It's affordable.
And it tastes on they don't like change. And when it's done the same way, normally delicious actually.
The way it has been from the beginning, so that it be okay.
That is from Genesis to Revelation.
Oh wow, that's interesting, bro. Okay.
That's why.
So you just mentioned, can you tell us the list of food they have in their meal?
They have the best food as in ever.
Let's say for instance,
Amala,
others.
fufu,
Okay.
apple, very strong. You know the fufu now. Rice, yellow rice, salad, plantain, bread, this assorted meat.
What else soup they have?
They have this banga soup, and they have this So I don't know the name of but I can describe it. Yeah, that one that my head yeah. So that type of one, so they have that one that will red blood cell, imagine give blood, you know. They also have Ofaku. You know what they call Ofaku in Igbo? Ofaku, that's palm soup, palm kernel soup. Yeah, that we call it Ofaku. Yes, and they also have Eguegu. Eguegu is the soup that the normally is a vegetable, but the normally use cutter to cut it on the. That's interesting. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, and they also have this thing, what they call it too.
Wow, so interesting. So thank you very much, Sonny, for sharing your point of view with us. We really appreciate the time. Thanks so much.
Sure.
Sure.
Hey guys,
Hey guys, this is T.Y. What's your name, please?
my name is Michael.
Michael, we are eating Unilag today to discover the best ways to eat delicious meal without breaking the bank. Will you actually provide your list?
Okay, the best place you can get food, like good food, university foods. Actually, it's just one of the best. I'm mentioning here, Warrior, and she serves swallow, all kinds of swallow, like amala, eba, fufu. Do you understand? Semo, meat, you get all kinds, pounded yam, everything. Great soup. Do you understand? All types of soup, banga, eforivo, egusi, ewedu, okro, chon, ogbono, everything. Give the back to back. You just need to drop the video, but it's due to your pocket. So yeah, how much you got? But me, I did chop enough. I did chop well. Like I said, like food there is something that when you eat there once, you want to eat there continuously. That's why they call it one of the best. Yeah, it's your satisfaction and you just enjoy yourself.
Okay, that's cool. Thank you very much for your time. So we can share places pocket friendly and they have different
Yeah, different types of meal. Yeah, swallow.
yeah,
Yeah,
that's cool.
yeah,
Thank you very much for your time.
yeah. Sure, no problem.
I have Charlie activity also they're going to be sharing with us they are the best place to have delicious meal in the University of Lagos. So Charles, would you like to tell us what we go with?
Okay, let me put it this way. I prefer Agui Palace. Yeah, right here in science. That's my best place.
So why do you prefer Anthony Palace?
Yeah, they make beans and bread, like in a wagon. So it's not the regular beans that
Sort of
we
place
take.
you see outside there.
Yeah, it's quite different and stand out actually. So I love it. Yeah, I like visiting the place.
Anthony Palace, is it only the food you make? That's all.
That's the only food they make there, beans and bread, that you can't get anywhere.
It's a kind of specialized food,
Yeah,
so you don't
yeah,
get it
definitely,
anywhere.
definitely.
It's just Anthony Palace. Strictly Anthony.
Agui.
Okay, thank you very much for
Yeah.
sharing it with us. And then how far about the price? Is it pocket friendly? Do you want that?
Actually, the price is pocket friendly. It's good, but I used to have it with their egg. How we used to 150. So it's fine. Yeah, it's fine actually. Render good service. And the place is nice.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So I just heard now that you just discover a particular restaurant that you got to eat. So will you share with us, please?
Yeah, we have multiple restaurants. So, like even I choose the Moria.
Yamoria.
Yeah, because of all this swallow, I mean,
Okay, you be local guy. You
yes,
bad
I mean,
guy.
yes, that, so I choose the Amoria because I love the way they prepare, all these little stuff.
Oh, yes.
Oh my God.
The
I
sound
love
with
that.
Begiri
Ah,
rice.
Bekiri and the way do so. Can you imagine? So everything is very affordable. So we can always.
Okay, you still dey follow Yamoria.
Yes, that because I can't do with the Amoria. To be honest, sometimes when my house, so I like to eat the Amoria.
Oh wow.
Yes, I like to eat the Amoria.
Even when you're when you're in the house, you still think of Yamoria. So Yamoria, you made mention of Amala now. Is it only food?
No, it's not only amala. They have fufu, they have swallow, and they have rice, they have things. Yeah, so but like me particularly, so I chose Amala. That's like the best food.
Oh, like when you're baking.
Yes.
Yeah, bro, trust me, now try this. No, no. Aqua Palace.
I went
Just
fine.
try the
Okay.
things out.
So thank you very much, Akeem.
Yeah, welcome, boss. Yeah, bless you.
Hey guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video so far. Please guys, we would like to hear from you. If you have ever eaten at the University of Lagos before, we want to know your thoughts. Please put down below in the comment section. Also, please guys, don't forget to like our channels and subscribe to the channel. See you until the next time.